Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Our new project is Christmas themed coasters, so if you want to learn how to do them all by yourself, feel free to stay tuned. So first of all, I have a crocheting needle. It's 3.5 millimeters this time, and I have red and yellow, and you can also do different colors if you like. So we start with the red thread. Let's do 5 chains. Through the last stitch, pull the thread through, and then we get a little circle that looks like this. Then into this circle we do 10 new trebles. So we start with 2 chains for the height, then we do a yarn over the needle and we go into the circle and we do a treble. So first we go through the 2 loops that we have and then through the 2 remaining ones. And 9 more times like that. I'll be back soon. Okay, so I did my 10 trebles and now I'll close them up. I'll skip the first 2 stitches because those were the chains we needed for the height. So we will go through the third, or our first treble actually, and we will do a slip stitch. Then 2 chains for the height and we double now. So we want to have 20 stitches total. So now into every existing stitch we do 2 trebles. That was 2. Now that we did this, we want to have 30 stitches. So we will do 2 chains for the height, and now we will double in every other stitch. So the first stitch gets 1 treble, and every even stitch gets 2. So that's where we add the extra stitch. And at the end, close up with a slip stitch. So now we will double in every third stitch so that we get to 40 stitches total. So the same thing as before. You maybe noticed yourself, but this is great for beginners because it's actually super simple to do and it also shows fast results. One treble, 1 more, and then 2 trebles. And again finish with a connecting slip stitch. So now that we have finished this row, we can shorten the thread and pull it out. And weave in to hide it. So now that we did this, we can continue with the other color of your choice. So we want the Christmas ornament shape. So for that, we need the hanging part as well. So we will take the other thread through. Then hold it tight from the back, do a little stitch, and then the following 5 stitches of the red section we will do with 1 single per each stitch. Five, and then we turn and we again do 5 single crochets back to the other yellow end, and then we will do 2 more rows like that. So now that we did this, we can do a chain to turn, and we will reduce the number of stitches. So I go through the first one and then through the second one as well, and then I close them up as one. First reduction, then 1 more single, and then the last 2 we again do as one. So we go through both and close them up as if they were just 1 stitch. Chain to turn, and then we do 3 stitches into the slip stitches. Pull the thread a bit longer and cut off. Pull out, and then we want to go through the other side. So first on the side. And then 1 more time through the middle. Make a little knot there, and then we can weave in the red thread. So now we finished our coaster and it's completely done. So I hope you like the end result. Just for comparison, I want to show you a bigger one. So this one has 60 stitches in its final row, which means that you can pretty much choose your own size as well as your own colors, so you can make them really personal and according to your own taste or wish. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like today's project. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to shoot us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more and stay notified every time we post something new. You can also share with your friends and feel free to stay tuned for our next video. Have a great day. Bye!